ARMO Cloud Application Detection and Response protects your cloud apps, workloads, and assets from active runtime threats. ARMO runtime sensors use eBPF to monitor applications in Kubernetes and VM environments, establish normal behavioral baselines, and accurately detect and respond to anomalies, malicious activity, and malware. Let's look at an incident ARMO detected in this environment. This is a complex attack where a Python app is exploited in a Kubernetes cluster within the cloud account. Here, the attacker used a local file inclusion exploit to extract a file from the app's file system, tricking it into revealing its content. ARMO detected the application reading the service account token, an abnormal action, and flagged it as an unexpected access. ARMO also extracted the actual file and pinpointed the exact program lines that were exploited, showing exactly where in the source code the attack happened. ARMO's AI agent analyzes the attack, presents the attack timeline, explains what happened, details the exploit, and recommends the next steps. ARMO also shows the blast radius, what the app is doing, which secrets it accessed, and its connections to cloud identities and assets. ARMO offers response options like soft quarantine with network policies and seccomp profiles, killing the infected process, pausing or stopping the infected container. With ARMO, you can build automated detection and response policies, like CDR for cloud events or ADR for cloud apps and workloads. ARMO lets you set different scopes and risk levels based on the app risk. With ARMO, you can choose which policies to apply and set automatic responses and select where to receive attack alerts.